Pandemic baby po kasi siya. Kaya never pa siyang nakaselebrate ng kanyang birthday.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hello! Hello, hello mga Zoobs! Susundin ko na si Lele. At ngayon special ang pagsundo kasi meron tayong kasamang paang maliit. Si Mimi! Sama si Mimi? Yeah! Okay, maaga kaming umalis. Mga 5 minutes early para makapaglaro pa ito sa park dun sa school. Excited siya. Yes, we're going to the park. Tapos pagkatapos nito guys, pupunta kami sa Ocular. Teka, yung buhok. Yung buhok ko. Ocular kami dun sa kung saan gaganapin yung party ni Mimi. Tignan namin kung yun na yung final. Tuwa siya, oh. Ayan. Maganda din guys yung weather ngayon. So baka mag-park kami. It's 21. As you can see, hindi kami naka-jacket ni Mimi. Kasi magandang maganda ang araw. Ayan. Almost there, guys.
Good afternoon, everybody. We just picked up Leah from school. We're down here at Brighton Metro. We've been here quite a few times actually, but we're here to look at Mimi's location for birthday. Yeah, as we mentioned in the vlog last time, parang hindi bagay yung birthday niya sa Crown. So we're looking for a more kid-friendly, may playground dito, tapos buffet food. Wait lang babe, bagal sila. May buffet food, tapos may private area na sa taas. So we're just gonna check it out. Might be able to get a snack or coffee. So this will be for Mimi's 3rd birthday. But Aliyah's birthday first. I said first. First party.
Yeah.
She hasn't had a party actually.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life.
Ayan guys, so I think set na kami doon kasi nandun na lahat, pagkain, lugar. Tapos bisita na lang yung darating. Meron na rin kasing playground doon. Tapos magdadagdag pa sila ng kung ano yung mga activities na pwede sa mga kids since it's children's party na din, di ba? So pasok na yan para sa kanila. Actually, same lang din ako nang gagastusin like nung birthday ni Aliyah kasi halos magkapresyo lang siya. Pero feeling ko sulit naman na din yon para sa mga guest. Tsaka para sa happiness ng Mimi. Siya po ay bibinyagan na. Pandemic baby po kasi siya. Kaya never pa siyang nakaselebrate ng kanyang birthday at baptism. So, dito siya bibinyagan sa Australia! Yay, Mimi! So, ngayon, basa! Umiinom siyang tubig na pagod kaka-park. Ngayon, guys, pupunta kami sa park. Yung maganda kasi yung panahon. Yung medyo malapit lang pupuntahan namin. Wait daw eh. Oh, nauhaw?
More.
Pa-cute. Oh.
Mommy, my phone.
Okay, sige na guys, kinukuha niya na yung phone niya. So, see you in the park.
Gone, babe. So it's the first time we're going to this park. It's just a small park, but it's really nice. It's a bit breezy now. Just waiting for Lele to get out the car. Let's go, Lele. Nice necklace. Oh, there goes Lele. So yeah, like we said, all neighborhoods pretty much have their own version of a park. What's good though, like a lot of people don't, more so in the summer people use it than the winter, but it's just so nice that you can just walk or drive and find something different. So it's a nice little spot though. It's a bit nice to just chill in the summer. It's just got the basics. It's just a little park, nothing crazy, but you know, Mimi just likes the basics. Look at her face. You're going so high, man. So there's Ima. It's warm, but there's a little, you know, a nice little breeze. Huh? Happy? Go, Lele.
Can you also close my vlog?
Yeah, if you want. Give me your phone. Go, Memes.
Lele, come on.
Lele, she wants to go together. Oh, no, she left you.
Hi, guys.
Don't climb up, please.
Hi guys! Bale kami ni Andy ay paalis ngayon. Papunta naman kami sa gym dahil dumating si Jaja at mag-aalaga muna siya kay Mimi. Kumakain siya ng niluto ng nanay niya din. Ang sinigang sa miso. Paborito yun ni Jaja. Kaya, ayan. Si Mimi, hindi siya natulog. So, ano na din yun. Matutulog na din yun. Agad-agad. Kaya, ano ba yun? Hintayin nila. Kanina guys, medyo mainit, diba? Ngayon malamig. Lumamig bigla kasi umulan. Kaya naman, tignan niyo yung jacket ko. Kung familiar to sa inyo, ito yung pinakauna kong jumper na binili dito. Na-miss kong suotin. Nakita ko siya kanina sa sa aking wardrobe. Maganda to. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Ganda ng ko ngayon. Skin ko. Hindi ako naka-makeup ngayon guys. Walang makeup yan. Kasi wala naman kami masyadong pinuntahan ngayon kaya hindi na ako nag-abala. Minsan talagang tamad lang ako mag-ayos. Minsan may nababasa nga ako sa comment na hindi ka man lang mag-lipstick. You're so pale. Sorry na. Ganun lang talaga ako. Kasi usually dati pag wala talaga akong work or wala akong taping, hindi ako nagme-makeup. Mas sanay ako na walang nilalagay. Yun lang yung maikli kong kwento. So malapit na kami sa gym. I'll see you there guys. It's a leg day workout for me. So you daddy?
Yeah, thanks.
Legs din. Sige. Sana pawisan ako today. For the muscles.
Alright. What's that?
Sticker ng wipes.
Time to rock the party. Oh, and there's some people here now. It's not too late. What's the time?
10:40.
Ayun, let's go.
I know I messed it up, but in my soul, I feel a love for you that's out of control. Sometimes I feel like I can make you whole. I just can't change my emotions. There isn't anything I wouldn't do to prove that everything I say is true. And if you let me, I'll keep loving you. I just can't change my emotions. Come on, love me again. You're all I need. Can you love me again? I need. Come on, love me the way you did. I just can't change my emotions.
We're home! Yan, nakapunta kami kanina dun sa Brighton Metro. Isa siyang buffet na na events place na din. Pwedeng gawin doon manood ng mga foodies, yung mga sports dito. Ang daming pwedeng gawin. Tapos meron din siyang mga pokies. Meron din siyang outdoor actually. Pinagpilian namin yun. Kaso parang hindi advisable kasi winter pa nga dito. Baka malamigan yung mga kids. And at the same time, yung napili na namin na pagdadausan ng kanyang birthday and baptism is nasa ilalim lang noon ang indoor playground. So, merong place, yung mga bata, may activity area sila para hindi sila maiinip kung habang kumakain yung mga matatanda, kagaya namin. So, ayan, nabanggit ko po sa inyo kanina na never pa nagka-party si Mimi na ganito kalaki. Kasi nga po, naging pandemic baby siya at medyo ito nga, late namin siya mapapabinyagan dahil nagkaroon pa kami talaga ng time na maghanap ng magiging ninong at ninang niya. And, you know, taking time talaga kami, hindi kami nagmadali para dito sa celebration niya. So, we thought this is the perfect time, kaya ito na, mangyayari na siya next month. Isasabay po namin ang kanyang birthday sa kanyang binyag. At ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga nakuha namin na ninong at ninang soon. So, ayan guys. Thank you so much sa panonood ng aming vlog for today and good night!